Hello. Yes, students, like, am I audible now?
Not audible.
अभी होगा, वो पहले का था, ठीक है.
Yes.
So hello students, welcome back to our YouTube channel AgriAddict. So I know like you people are waiting for this entomology most expected series. So आज से from today like we are going to start the most expected series for the entomology. So this series has already started for soil science, started for horticulture, for all other subjects. तो entomology का कल ही comment आया था कि एंटोमोलॉजी कब से स्टार्ट करने वाले हो, सो व्हेन आर यू स्टार्टिंग फॉर द एंटोमोलॉजी. तो आज से हम एंटोमोलॉजी का मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड सीरीज का क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ द रिवीजन सीरीज दैट हैज बीन ऑलरेडी कन्वेड. हमने कन्वे किया था पहले. सो वी कन्वेड अबाउट द रिवीजन सीरीज. जब सिलेबस खत्म होगा मास्टर कोर्स का, वी विल बी कमिंग बैक विद द रिवीजन सीरीज. हम आपको एग्जाम डे तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. हर रोज हर 2 दिन में कुछ ना कुछ नया वीडियोस आता रहेगा ताकि हम आप यहाँ से रिवीजन भी कर लोगे. ठीक है. सो लेट मी क्लैरिफाई द रिवीजन सीरीज वंस अगेन सो दैट यू कैन प्लान फॉर योरसेल्फ. दिस रिवीजन सीरीज फ्रॉम AgriAddict consists of two different things. The one thing is like most expected series, the other thing is the marathon series. The most expected series question series we will be completing it within the May end. May end से पहले इसको खत्म करेंगे. उसके बाद in the month of June, that is second week of June, we will be conducting the marathon series. और इस मैराथन सीरीज में इन द मैराथन सीरीज वी विल नॉट बी टेकिंग अ सिंगल क्लास फॉर द एंटायर एंटोमोलॉजी एंड नेमेटोलॉजी. The classes will be differentiated, separated, divided into subject wise, topic wise. Like for example, insect physiology, insect taxonomy, insect morphology, and beneficial insects. Like there will be different parts which will be dealt in detail, ताकि आपका दोबारा रिवीजन प्रॉपरली हमारे साथ हो जाएगा. एंड दिस क्लासेस विल बी कंप्लीटली फॉर फ्री फॉर एवरीवन. इट विल बी अपलोडेड इन आवर यूट्यूब चैनल. लाइव होगा यूट्यूब में, तो डेफिनेटली मिस मत करना. उतना टाइमलाइन रख लेना. सो मेक द टाइमलाइन इन द मंथ ऑफ जून. इतना टाइम मिनिमम रिजर्व करके रखो कि लाइव देखने के लिए आपके पास टाइम हो. Okay, and before that, I know like most of you are already attending the mock test questions, like test series लेके questions को attend कर रहे हो, but most of you are concerned whenever you attend the questions, like lot of things are not clarified there. So बहुत चीजें वहां से clarified नहीं होते हैं. तो that's why we are conducting this most expected series. तो इसमें if you have not yet enrolled to our like test series from the AgriAddict, so kindly enroll it. Whatever questions that you attend there, all the explanations are being provided here. And if you are already the student of master course, everything is already provided. But if you have not taken the master course, then at least go and enroll for the test series right now. That will be very, very beneficial, and it is also available for a very affordable price. Okay, sir, when will the PDFs of these videos available and how to access it? Yes, so these PDFs will be directly available in the same link in which like you have accessed the secret PDFs. So with the same link, same Google Drive link through which like you have accessed the secret PDF, in the same link only you will be getting all this most expected question series PDFs. So this will be available after the class, after 1 or 2 hours after the class. Okay. Still, if you get any doubts, you can directly contact us on our official helpline number. We will help you with that. Okay, no need to worry about it. So after the just attend the class. ज़्यादा कुछ लिखना नहीं है. अगर जो भी points है उसको लिखते जाओ. बाकी ये PDF आपको downloadable format में मिल जाएगा, जो उसको download करके आप revision पे कर सकते हो. Okay, तो स्टार्ट करें. So and if you people want us to continue this series, हम इस ऐसे ही बाकी टेस्ट सीरीज के लिए भी पूरा मोस्ट एक्सपर्ट सीरीज कंटिन्यू करें. एंड इफ यू वांट अस टू कंटिन्यू दिस सीरीज एंड यू आल्सो वांट us to continue the marathon series, whoever is watching this video, I want you to comment on this video that yes you want it. जिस तरह का आपका डिमांड रहेगा उस तरह का सर्विस रहेगा. लाइक वी विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग इट यू एंड विल बी आल्सो कंडक्टिंग ऑल द क्लासेस. अगर आप डिमांड करोगे, आप रिक्वेस्ट करोगे, जो भी करोगे, अगर आप बताओगे हमें, ओनली देन वी कैन बी एबल टू प्लान एवरीथिंग एंड कम बैक टू यू. ओके, सो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. अच्छे से क्लास देख लेना, एंजॉय द क्लास. एंड दिस इज आवर न्यू मेंटर. मेंटर के बारे में बता देता हूँ. लाइक दिस इज आवर न्यू मेंटर फॉर द एंटोमोलॉजी एंड पैथोलॉजी. सो शी विल बी डीलिंग विद ऑल दिस क्लासेस एंड शी इज अ PhD स्कॉलर फ्रॉम द प्लांट पैथोलॉजी. बाकी का इंट्रोडक्शन हमारा मेंटर दे देंगे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल I officially welcome to this our YouTube channel, and I hope so like students जो भी होंगे, so जो भी इस क्लास को देख रहे होंगे, I hope like you will be enjoying this class. If there is any feedback, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much.
It should be bilingual, no? Bilingual.
80% English, 80% English, 20%. Thank you.
Hello everyone. So my name is Vasundhara Negi. I am your new mentor. I am from Himachal Pradesh. I have completed my master's and PhD from Dr. Y.S. Parmar University of Horticulture and Forestry, Nauni Solan, Himachal Pradesh. So are you ready for the series? And kindly keep this session interactive. Are you ready? Okay. So let's start with the So let's start with the first question. First question is vector or RH787 is used as. This is a direct question. So what is the answer? What is this vector RH787? Answer me in the comment section. Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay, okay. So answer this question. What is vector RH787? It is a direct question. Yes, B is the correct answer. It is a rodenticide. So let's move to the next one. One of the ingredients used in universal antidote is what? What is the answer? One of the ingredients used in universal antidote. Option C. Very good. Rupali Parikh. Option C is correct answer. Now tell me what is this universal antidote and what are its ingredients? Tell me all the ingredients and their ratio. Anyone? Yes, very good, Pankaj. Pankaj Swami. Manu, Rupali Parikh. Now tell me the ingredients.
Students, like which class you're asking about, which class is not uploaded? कौन सा क्लास अपलोड नहीं है कल का कोर्स में? Okay, no problem. So like if you have any concerns regarding this course, any classes in the course, like just contact us in this number. हमें इस नंबर पे मैसेज कर देना, ठीक है? ठीक है, so just contact us on this number for any queries. like अगर कल का क्लास जो बोल रहे हो कि अवेलेबल नहीं है, कोई पीडीएफ्स अवेलेबल नहीं है, डायरेक्टली इस नंबर पे मैसेज डाल दो, सो वहाँ से आप लोगों को क्लैरिफाई हो जाएगा. ओके
अच्छा, okay. What is that, yaar, bro? तो बैच तोड़ दिया है. So let's start now. Yes, this Sakshi Sahu, magnesium oxide and tannic acid. Very good. So the universal antidote. What are the ingredients? Charcoal, magnesium oxide, and tannic acid. And what is the ratio? Is it clear? Activated charcoal, yes. Activated charcoal, magnesium oxide and tannic acid. Very good. So let's move to the next one. DDT is generally used as what? Is it systemic, stomach or contact poison? DDT is a systemic, stomach or contact poison. C, very good. It is a contact poison. And what is contact poison? Quickly write in the comment box. What is contact poison? Contact poison, systemic and stomach. Contact poison when it kill the insect, when insect come in the contact with this. Come directly in contact with this. What about systemic? What is systemic poison? Systemic poison, the poison which is or insecticide absorbed by plants. After that, insects suck the sap and get killed. Okay, what about stomach poison? Stomach poison, when the insect eat that. Example क्या होगा stomach poison का? Anyone? Orally feed, very good. जब oral feed करेगा, that is stomach poison. हम BT को consider करते हैं. Very good. BT is the correct answer. Good. Through ingestion. Now let's move to the next one. Pheromone trap attract what? These are basic questions and everyone should answer these questions. What is the answer? Pheromone trap attract what? Male only. Very good. What is the reason? Because pheromone trap contain female sex pheromones. Got it? Okay, so let's move to the next one. Root feeding stem injection of monocrotophos is recommended against what? Root feeding and stem injection is used in case of what? D, very good. Coconut caterpillar. And what is this root feeding? What we do in root feeding? Very good. Coconut caterpillar. Abhishek Swami, Rupali Parikh, very good. So, what we do in this root feeding? We choose a root of pencil thickness and we give a slant cut on that. After that, we insert this monocrotophos in that slant cut and cover it with the polythene sheet so that it absorbs slowly. That is the root feeding. And what about stem injection? What we do in stem injection, we make a hole at a certain height on a plant and after that injection is given in which this monocrotophos is inserted in the plants and it is sealed with, further it is sealed, hole is sealed so that it get incorporated in the sap. We do it in the coconut because it is a very tall plant and to spray on its crown, it became very tough. So, we use root feeding and stem injection in case of coconut. Fourth question explain कर दीजिए, confusion है. Fourth question में, what is this pheromone trap attract? Male or females? Generally, these pheromone trap contain female sex hormone to lure the male insect. So when these male come to these traps, they got stuck in the trap. This is a control measure. Got it? Mainly female release करती है. Yes, female are releasing the pheromones that are used in these traps to lure male insects. Is it clear now? Okay. So which is used as an effective sticker? Anyone? B. Very good. T-pol is the right answer. What about these phenol and neem oil? What is phenol? T-pol is a correct answer. Phenol is a disinfectant. What about neem oil? What is it? Yes, it is an insecticide of botanical origin. And this coal tar, it was previously used as a sticking agent, but now it is not used. Insecticide of botanical origin, very good. This is neem oil is botanical origin insecticide. Is it clear now? Now match the BT gene with their target orders. What is the correct answer? B. Very good. B is the correct answer. Cry1 gene is used against which? Lepidoptera. Cry2 gene is used against what? Lepidoptera and Diptera. Cry3 is used against Coleoptera. And Cry4 is used against Diptera. Is it clear? Insecticide of botanical origin are those which we extract from what? Plants like pyrethrum that is extracted from chrysanthemum. Is it clear? What is your question? Manu, reply, ma'am. What was your question? Okay, so let's move to the next one. So I have written here different cryproteins and their main target group along with the examples. Okay. Trade name of achuk is made from. What is the answer? Achuk. B. Yes, neem is the correct answer. And what about chrysanthemum? What is the compound that is made from this chrysanthemum? Very good. Pyrethrum. What about this subdilla? Very good. What about this subdilla? What is the alkaloid compound present in this? Yeah, it is an insecticide. And what is the alkaloid compound present in it? Subdilin. Directing in neem, not in this. Okay. So let's move to the next one. Is a botanical compound and that is obtained from the seed of what? Scoinocolin officinale and contain also veratrin alkaloid is also present in it. Is it clear? Yes, very good. Rupali Parikh, veratridine is also present in this. Is it okay now? Okay, so let's move to the next one, which is used for making fog, smoke and vapor sprayer. Like they are asking for which energy. Very good. Very good. Thermal energy is used in making fog, smoke and vapor sprayer. Very good. Okay. So let's move to the next one. Insecticide having fumigant action is. So these are direct question. Fumigant action. Very good. B is the correct answer. Someone is answering this malathion. It has slight fumigant action, but we are not using it for fumigation. Okay. DDVP is right answer. Very good. So let's move to the next one. The gene bar star, bar and barnase are used for developing genetically modified what? D. Very good. D is the correct answer. Mustard. And what is the name of that? GMH11. Okay, GMH11 is the name of that genetically modified mustard. And now what is the role of these bar star, bar and barnase? What is the role of this bar star? So, bar star induce male sterility and this barnase restore the sterility okay, so it restore the sterility and further this bar gene it make the plant tolerant to what? Herbicide. So these genes are used to make the fertile hybrids by using these three genes. Is it clear? Bar star is a gene. These are gene. Bar star, bar and barnase are the gene. And these genes are extracted from what? Bacteria. These two are extracted from what? These are extracted from Bacillus amyloleucofaciens and this third one bar gene that is extracted from Streptomyces hygroscopicus. Is it clear? So these are gene. Is it clear now? Manu? Is it clear? Reply no. Manu R49N80. Is it clear? Bar star, these are the genes that has been extracted from these bacteria. Okay. So, as I mentioned, barnase is used to produce male sterility and these restore the fertility. Okay. this birth star, it restore this sterility and it induce male sterility. So I have written here also, you can go through this also. So is it clear? Barnase, that is used to produce male sterility, and bar star, that is used to restore fertility by inhibiting this barnase protein. And bar gene, that give tolerance to the herbicide. Is it clear now? Okay, so let's move to the next one. Safest chemical used for honeybees are? Very good. Endosulfan is the correct answer. So it was direct question. Very good. Rupali Parikh, Pankaj Swami, Abhishek Swami. Okay. So let's move to the next one. Cell-phos release a poisonous gas, namely what? Which gas? B is the correct answer. Phosphine. So what is the name of this? Cell-phos का नाम है क्या? Yeah, phosphine is the correct answer. What is the name of actual name? Like what is the chemical which we call cell-phos? Very good. Aluminium phosphide. Aluminium phosphide. And what happened when this compound come in the contact with either water or gas, either water or moisture, it form what? Aluminium hydroxide and release what? Phosphine gas. And generally used against what type of insects like? Answer me in comment. What type of insect? Used against stored grain pests. Very good, very good. Okay, so let's move to the next one. I have written here also, cell-phos trade name commonly aluminium phosphide tablets. When aluminium phosphide come in contact with moisture or water, it releases phosphine gas, as I mentioned earlier. And aluminium phosphide, when come in the contact with water, it converted into aluminium hydroxide and releases phosphine gas. Is it clear? Okay, so let's move to the next one. Given below are two statements. Which is correct and which is false, or both are correct or what? So statement 1 is absorption of insecticides by roots take place best in soil, and second is absorption of insecticide by root take place least in solution. What is it? What is the answer? Very good. Anyone? What is the right answer? C. Is it C? Why statement 1 is correct? So the right answer is both the statement are incorrect. Why? Like absorption of insecticide by root take place best in, not in soil. It require water. So very good. Answer B is correct. It require water. So here should be soil solution, and here should be absorption of insecticide by root take place maximum. It should be maximum or best. Is it clear now? Very good. Soil solution. Good. So both the statements are incorrect. You should read them properly. This is the only word that is wrong here. Soil solution. Okay. So let's move to the next one. Carbon disulfide is used to control. So today are mostly direct questions, so you can answer. Carbon disulfide. Very good. Nematodes is the correct answer. So let's move to the next one. Example of carcinogenic group of insecticide. Explain 14. Okay, so 14 question. I'm Arun Kumar. So here, what is written? Absorption of insecticide by soil take place best in soil. Only soil. We require water for the absorption. No. So there should be soil solution. Okay. And here what they wrote, absorption of insecticide by root take place least in solution. No. Here we are saying we require water. That is soil solution. Here they are writing it is absorbed slowly in case of solution. So this is wrong. Absorption takes place maximum in the soil solution. So here should be best and here should be soil solution. Is it clear? Arun Kumar, is it clear now? फिर से repeat करूं? Okay. Now answer this one. Example of carcinogenic group of insecticide. What is it? Anyone? No, this is synthetic pyrethroids. And what is their mechanism? They directly knock down the insect. They directly paralyze the insect. It should be synthetic pyrethroid, although both the mode of action for organochlorine and synthetic pyrethroids are same. Like they attack the nervous system. These both organochlorine and synthetic pyrethroids, they both attack the nervous system and also it has residual effect. Residual effect. What this organochlorine? And what about the synthetic pyrethroid? It also act on nervous system, but it directly knock down the student. Very good. Sodium channel blockers. Very good. Very good. And what about these organophosphate and carbamates? What is the role of these both? So, these organophosphate and carbamates, what they do? They stop or block the activity of acetylcholine esterase enzyme. And what is the role of this enzyme? Anyone? Very good. What is the role of this enzyme now? Anyone? So, what is the role of? There is a chemical that is acetylcholine that is required for the transmission of very good neurotransmitter. It is a neurotransmitter that is required for the nervous message to pass. So what happened? We require this acetylcholine to pass our message, and after that this enzyme degrade this acetylcholine so that this message get completed. What happen in case of these both? They block this enzyme and further it get accumulated in the nerve system, and insect continuously got the what? Neuron signal. Okay, that is the role of this organophosphate and carbamate, but this is less persistent. The difference is this is less persistent. Is it clear now? Break down the acetylcholine. Very good, very good. Okay. Very good. OP is irreversible, carbamates are reversible. Okay, so let's move to the next one. So I have written here also what is the mode of action there. Organochlorine, they mainly affect nervous system. Sodium channels को affect करता है. And examples are here. DDT, BHC. What about organophosphate? What is their role? As I mentioned, they inhibit the acetylcholine esterase enzyme, which is responsible for the proper functioning of our nerve cells. So examples are malathion, parathion, monocrotophos, chloropyrifos. And what about the carbamates? These are reversibly inhibit this acetylcholine esterase enzyme. Their action is similar to this, but usually these are less persistent, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, and examples are carbaryl, carbopherone, and LD-carb. Major examples. And what about synthetic pyrethroids? These are voltage gated sodium channel. Again, they both are affecting the what? Sodium channels. Is it okay now? Okay, so let's move to the next one. Safest method of disposing the leftover pesticide is disposal by. So this is very basic question. What we should do? We should pour it in the drain, or pour it in the pond, or pour in the moving stream, or burying in the soil. Yes, D is the correct answer. Very good. So let's move to the next one. So this is our batch, Sreshtha batch for the students who who are preparing for 2027 exam. So they can buy this. This is in 4999, and the students who want for 2 years. This is foundation batch for 2028. So the student who are in second year or will give exam in their 4th year, so they can enroll in this. This is a 2-year course for ICAR PG. And this also, this is our paid mock test for this exam, that is on 4th July. So you can enroll any of this course, which according to your requirement. Okay. So let's move to the question. Vegetables treated with BHC are unfit for the use for up to how many weeks? Benzene hexachloride. What is the answer? Anyone? You are not responding today. Huh? Not C. This. For 2 weeks. This is the correct answer. Very good. Arun Kumar, very good. And next one, Mikala Harika, very good. Now, next question is example of insecticide having long residual systemic effect. Answer properly. I have asked long residual systemic effect. Very good. Answer A, LD-carb. Yes, 4-8, but it is not a what? Is it systemic? It is systemic, but there is no residual effect of this. Okay. LD-carb is the correct answer. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Which of the following is synergist of malathion? Synergist of malathion. Anyone? Very good. C is the correct answer. N-isobutyl undecylene amide is the synergist of malathion. What is synergist? Anyone in the comment section? You should answer this one. What is synergist? Anyone? Enhance the toxicity. Very good. So it enhances the toxicity. Synergists, the role of synergist is to enhance the toxicity. Compound increase toxicity. Very good. And how they increase, like what they do? Anyone? Very good. By blocking the detoxifying enzyme. Very good. Very good. Activating the detoxifying enzyme. And what about these? These are synergists of what? These are synergists of pyrethrum. Okay? Is it clear? Okay. Let's move to the next one. Now match the columns. Insecticide pyrethrum is obtained from what? It is obtained, anyone? First answer. Bolo. What is the answer? Yes, D is the correct answer. Pyrethrum is obtained from what? Chrysanthemum cinerifolia. Okay. And nicotine is obtained from what? Nicotiana tabacum. And this rotenone has been extracted from roots of Daris plant. This Daris elliptica roots. And what about Neris toxin? It is obtained from a clam worm. Okay, that is Lumbrineris heteropoda. So correct answer is answer D. Is it clear? Very good. Mahesh, please. Rupali, Parikh, Ashwani, very good. So D is the correct answer. So I have written here also that, and also their mode of action. So what pyrethrum is doing? It causes quick knockdown by acting the sodium channel, just like what? Pyrethroid. It is a pyrethroid. So its main function is to knock down the insect. Next is nicotine, obtained from Nicotiana tabacum, which is tobacco, and it also nicotinic acetylcholine receptors. Again, it is inhibiting or it is interacting with the nervous system. Next is rotenone. It is obtained from the roots of Daris elliptica. Okay, Daris plant, or we can say tuba roots. And what is its role? It blocks the mitochondria, what? This electron transfer complex, and stop the energy production in the insect. Further, this Neris toxin also act on the what? Nicotinic acetylcholine receptor, that is on the nervous system. You can also study from here. I have written everything in this. What is their mode of action? What is the source of their origin? So go through this PDF also. Is it clear? So let's move to the next one. It is again a direct question. Lead arsenate was first time used against which pest? What is the answer? A? B. Very good. B is the correct answer. Yes, arsenic compound, a popular arsenic compound is used against Colorado potato beetle. And what is it? And you know the name. Tell me the name. What is it that is against? It is an arsenic compound, but it is famous compound that is used against this Colorado potato beetle. What is it? I have written here also. This is Paris green. This is a arsenic. Very good. Abhishek Swami. Paris green is correct answer. Very good. So let's move to the next one. Which statement is true regarding wetting agents? Now tell me the answer. Which statement is true regarding wetting agent? Is it D? Yes, very good. D is the correct answer. And what should be the right statement here? It promotes suspension of liquid in another. Whose role is this? What should be the answer here? No, D is the correct answer. And what should be the answer here? This is the role of what? Yes, anyone? Tell me what is the role of, and who is playing these role of these three? This is the role of emulsifying agent. Got it? And what about this? It causes pesticide to adhere to plant foliage. What is it? Emulsifier, yes, good. This was emulsifier. And what is this? This is the role of sticker. Very good, sticker. And what about third? It modifies surface property of material they contact. What is it? Answer in the statement itself. This is surfactant. Very good. Surfactant is the correct answer. So is it clear now? So answer is this D. It reduces the interfacial tensions between normally repelling substances. That it is reducing the surface tension and allow the proper spreading of the chemical. This is the role of wetting agent. Is it clear now? So let's move to the next question. I have written here also, this is the role of emulsifying agent. As I discussed earlier, this is the role of sticking agent or stickers that adhere to the plant foliage. Next, modify surface properties, role of surfactants. And about this, reduce the interfacial tensions, that is wetting agents. I think it is clear now. So let's move to the next one. Crude DDT is a mixture of about. This is again a direct question. Now you should answer this question. What is the answer? Crude DDT is a mixture of about. How many isomers? Very good. 14 is the correct answer. So it is a direct question. Next, dermal LD50 values are what than oral LD50? Lesser, higher, same, or none of these? Give me the answer and also give me the reason. Okay? And also give me the reason why. Lesser, is it? Dermal doses should be less or higher or same? Less or higher? Just think, no? Yes, very good. It should be higher. Why? When you are taking this anything orally, like when insecticide is taken orally, it will affect the insect directly. What when you are taking it through dermal? We have to cross all the insect layers, all the layers of insect to reach inside the insect body. So dermal dose should be higher than, because orally to jaldi. Very good, very good. Orally jaldi system में आ जाता है. Yes, this is the correct answer. And from dermal dose, insect has to pass all the layers, all the insect layers to enter into the system of the insect. Very good. So higher is the correct answer. So let's move to the next one. First documented insecticide residue appear in. Again, this is a direct question. And you should know this. First documented. Very good. D is the correct answer. Senho's scale to lime sulfur. And This is the first documented one. This is the only difference. Okay, all these are resistant to DDT. Diamondback moth is resistant to DDT. This Singhada beetle is resistant to hexachlorocyclohexane. And this also California red scale is also resistant to hydrogen cyanide. Okay. ये क्लासेस JRF एंटोमोलॉजी एग्जाम के लिए हैं क्या? ये उसी के लिए क्लासेस अभी चली हैं. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Active ingredient Furaflavone is present in which plant? And what we call this Furaflavone? Other name? Okay, okay. Now tell me, active ingredient Furaflavone. Is it custard apple? No. What is the answer? You are not responding today. Huh? Is it D? No. C. Yes, C is the correct answer. 0.1 gram. So the other name of this is Karanjim. Okay, and what is the active ingredient of this chrysanthemum? अब भी पढ़ के हटे. सारे रॉन्ग हो रहे हैं. कोई नहीं, प्रैक्टिस करते रहो, सब भी राइट हो जाएंगे पेपर तक. ओके, साक्षी, साहू. Okay, very good. Pyrethrum. This is pyrethrum. What about custard apple? What is the active ingredient in custard apple? Custard apple. Anonin. And I have written, yeah, in China berry also. What is the active ingredient? That is Melia toxins. So I have written here also, this is the chrysanthemum, and insecticidal compound present in this is pyrethrum, and this is custard apple, and the active ingredient present in it is anonin and what? This acetogenin. And what about pongam or pongamia? We discussed, this is Karanjin and Furaflavone. And what about China berry? The active ingredient is limonoids and Melia toxin. Answer others, no. Inko bhi answer karo. Not only the question. Okay. So let's move to the next one. Insecticide having LD50 value, high LD50 value indicate what? Now you will tell me this. This is very simple. Yes, less toxic. The insecticide having high LD50 value means they are less toxic. Why? Suppose we have this LD50 dose of 100 mg per kg and we have 1 mg per kg. Okay, so what does it mean? That 100 mg of chemical or insecticide is required for this much of body weight, and only 1 mg is required for same body weight. So what is here? It is effective even in small concentration. Okay, so LD50, if some insecticide, if the insecticide having high value of LD50, it means this is less toxic. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Now, give me the answer. What is the correct answer? And what these are all groups of carbamates. Now you will tell me what is this oxime, phenyl, naphthyl and heterocyclic. What is the answer? So, isoline insecticide, it comes in the group what? Heterocyclic carbamates. Okay, heterocyclic carbamates, what does it mean? That is, it contain all these belong to carbamate group, but it has benzene ring with center atom of nitrogen, oxygen or sulfur. And what about this carbaryl? It belong to naphthyl carbamate. And what is its structure? Naphthyl carbamate contain two benzene ring structure. This is naphthyl carbamate. What is carbopherone? This is phenyl carbamate. Phenyl carbamate means it contain benzene ring structure. Okay, so these are classification based on their structures. And what about LD carb? This is oxime carbamate. Here it is oxime group. Is it clear? A, very good. A is the correct answer. So is it clear now? So I have written here also, this is the oxime group. Two fused benzene ring, this is naphthalene ring. And phenyl carbamate, one aromatic ring. And heterocyclic ring has heteroatom, that is nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur. Okay? Okay, so let's move to the next one, and you are not responding properly. Now, microorganism metabolizing the insecticide malathion. So answer this one. This is a little confusing, and now answer. What do you think? What should be the answer? Anyone? A, okay. D, okay. Trichoderma, okay. D. So the answer will be Pseudomonas putida. In some places it is written as Trichoderma viride also, but the most appropriate one will be this Pseudomonas petuda. This is directly involving in metabolizing the different or various type of insecticides. Okay. So here the most appropriate answer will be Pseudomonas. Is it clear? Yeah, Pseudomonas petuda is for BHC also, that I mentioned here, that Pseudomonas petuda is break down many of the insecticide. BHC is one of them. टॉक्सिकोलॉजी से आ रहे हैं इसलिए आंसर नहीं कर पा रहे हो. Yeah, in mock test it is Trichoderma viride, yes, but the most appropriate you will choose or this Pseudomonas petuda. Yeah, in mock test this is also Trichoderma, but you will answer this. This is the most appropriate one. Yeah, somewhere Trichoderma viride is also written, but you will write this. Phenotrophion for Bacillus subtilis. Okay, good. I will change it in this Arun Kumar. I will change it in mock test also. Okay. Toxicology difficult part hai. Okay. No problem. We are discussing it here, no? Okay, so let's move to the next one. Is it clear now? So let's move to the next one. Which is a mite growth regulator? Not only mite growth regulator, you will tell me each and every one. What are they? Very good. B is the correct answer. Harry, thiozox is a mite growth regulator. What about these methoprene, phenoxycarb and this Proxyfen. What about these? What are they? Answer no. Very good. Good. Abhishek Swami. These are juvenile hormone analog. That is, they are used in case of insects. These are insect growth regulators. Growth regulators are the substance. What are growth regulators? That regulates the growth of insect. Here, like here, these insecticide, what they are doing? They are acting like a juvenile hormone for insects. Okay, juvenile hormone for insect, that is, they are controlling its juvenile stage. So these are promoting its growth. So that's why they are growth regulators of insecticides. Is it okay? This VK, EK, 4, okay. Is it okay? Okay. Now tell me this one, IARI named its contraceptives from neem as what? What is the answer? D. Correct. This is the direct question and you should know this one. NJM 76. Now here is the another one. Which of the following statement is true about Sabadilla? We have studied it in the last question. I mean in the 9th or 10th question. So what is the answer? ICAR PG एंटो में AIR 1 कैसे निकालें? तो देखो बच्चे, AIR 1 तभी निकलेगा जब तुम यहाँ पे सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर करोगे. ठीक है? मैम कुछ स्ट्रेटेजी बताओ. मैम स्ट्रेटेजी बता तो रहे हैं तुम्हें. हाँ, पढ़ो, यहाँ पे सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर दो, बस यही स्ट्रेटेजी है. हाँ, ICAR PG एक्सटेंशन डिस्कशन व्हेन, आपको इसके बारे में बता दिया जाएगा कब जो है वो एक्सटेंशन का डिस्कशन होगा. ओके ओके, तो ये आंसर बताओ. इट इज, हाँ, वेरी गुड. हु इज दिस? तलारिया सवंत, इज इट? सारे दिए हैं मैम, प्लीज मोटिवेट करिए. अरे यू शुड स्टडी, नो, वी आर here for you. You can ask doubts. I think this is the revision one. You have all the classes, no? Is it VK, EK? हाँ, तुम अच्छे से क्लासेस करो, जो तुमने क्लासेस लगाई हैं, और यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस जो आ रहे हैं उनको बार बार प्रैक्टिस करो, हो जाएगा. ओके ओके, चलो. So its correct answer is this. So it is extremely toxic to fish. ये किसका कैरेक्टर है? टॉक्सिकोलॉजी टॉपिक PDF चाहिए. थैंक यू मैम, इस बार टॉप करोगे जरूर. व्हाट इज योर नेम वैसे? VK, EK? पिछली बार रैंक 1000 में आया था. कोई बात नहीं, इस बार AIR 1 ही आएगा. नाम तो बता दो. VK, EK 4, ओके. व्हाट इज योर नेम? चलो, leave it. So it is harmful to pollinators and honeybees. Which of the following statement is true about Sabadilla? Yeah, this is रिजल्ट के टाइम बताओगे? ओके, तो आई विल अंडरस्टैंड द वन who will be with AIR1. ठीक है, इज इट ओके? चलिए, तो it is extremely toxic to fish. This is a rotenone. Very good. What is a broad spectrum stomach poison? Sometime this is subdilla is also considered, but this is not broad spectrum. This is only stomach poison. Rotenone, we can say yes. And what about this? It inhibits respiratory metabolism. This is also rotenone. Okay, चलिए. It is extremely toxic to fish. Rotenone का character है subdilla, as I said, is a contact and stomach action है. Again, rotenone का respiratory metabolism को भी inhibit करता है. And subdilla का toxic और harmful है for what? Honeybees and other beneficial insects. Okay? Is it okay now? Okay, so let's move to the next one. Large number of resistant species are present in which order? And why? Why? I am asking why also. Why in Diptera? क्यों है Diptera में? क्यों chances हैं कि बहुत ज़्यादा resistant species are present in Diptera? Yeah, B is the correct answer, but give me the reason. No, you should know why most of the resistant species present in Diptera. So Diptera has high reproduction rate. First thing, short life cycle, and chemicals or insecticides are continuously or frequently used against this. So this make them more vulnerable to what? Resistance. Is it clear? Okay, so let's move to the next question, and these are the reasons. Now match the columns. What is the correct order? Anyone? Yes, this video will be available anytime after this live class. Okay, so the right answer is what? B. This phosphamidone, that is the derivative of phosphoric acid. This parathion is derivative of thiophosphoric acid. This malathion, this is of what? Dithiophosphatic acid. And this what? Tetraethyl pyrophosphate, this is of pyrophosphoric acid. So these are direct questions. यहाँ पे अभी तुम्हें घुमा के क्वेश्चन तो आ ही नहीं रहे. हाँ, टॉक्सिकोलॉजी में these are direct questions. So let's move to the next one. Trade name of this Kartap hydrochloride is, and you will tell me the trade name of these also. Sorry, you will name the chemical name of this also. What is the trade name of Kartap hydrochloride? Padan, very good. This is the correct answer. What about this Confidor? Trade name of what? Very good. Imidacloprid. Very good. What about this Pride? Very good. Acetamiprid. अब तुमने आंसर देना शुरू किया. What about this Ectara? Thiomethoxam. Is it okay now? सही है? चलिए. So let's move to the next one. Name the tear gas. Again, direct question. And everyone will answer this question. Now tell me, what is the name of tear gas? Only one C. Yes, very good, very good. So chloropicrin is the correct answer. Next is, which of the following component is used to disperse the pesticide uniformly? Is it valve, nozzle, pump or agitator? Answer is in the name. Yes, very good. D. Agitator is the correct answer. The pressure used for spraying coconut and palm trees. D. Very good. It requires high pressure because coconut and palm tree, the crown is very high, as we discussed in previous question also. So it requires very high pressure to spray these. Now, which of the following parameter is used to evaluate synthetic pyrethroid against insects? And what is this KT? Knockdown. Very good. Knockdown time. And what is this knockdown time? Anyone in the comments? Quickly. Knockdown time. Similar to LD50, no? Minimum time that is required to knock down 50% of test population. Is it okay? And what about this LT? LT. Now you will answer this. Okay, why insecticide formulation named ECSL? How to know that? How to know that? Like in which form they are spraying? Some come in the granule form. Like जैसे हम बात करते हैं अब मैंने अभी बात किया सेल्फॉस का, तो सेल्फॉस किस फॉर्म में आता है? पैलेट फॉर्म में. इमल्सिफाइड कंसंट्रेट्स, सॉल्युबल लिक्विड्स, ये कैसे होगा कि किस फॉर्म में उनको स्प्रे करना है? ओके, अब तुम फोलियार पे स्प्रे करोगे तो तुम्हें कैसा चाहिए? ग्रेन्यूल्स चाहिए तुम्हें? नहीं ना, तुम्हें कैसा चाहिए? सॉल्वेंट चाहिए, लिक्विड चाहिए. तो इट डिपेंड्स कि वेयर यू आर स्प्रेइंग दैट फॉर्मुलेशंस. ओके वीके, ईके. Okay. So where were we? Okay. Yeah, this is LD50 is LT50 is lethal time. LC is, I can make you clear from this. This is knockdown time LT is lethal time, time required to kill 50% of insect. Okay, what is it? It's 14 to 18 kg per centimeter. Yeah, in PDF notes, no? 2. Okay, okay. I will check it. This question, no? Okay. This should be the answer you are saying? Okay, I will check this one. What will be the exact answer? ठीक है. Okay, Sakshi Sahu, I will check it. Okay, okay. ठीक है, मैं इसको चेक कर लूंगी एक बार और तुम्हें ग्रुप में कंफर्म करके डाल दूंगी. Is it okay now? चलिए. So what is lethal concentration? Concentration required to kill 50% of insects. What about ED 50? Effective dose 50%. Dose required to produce desired effect in 50% of test organisms. Is right. What 36? Which 36? 36? What is this 36? Mahesh, please. What are you talking about? Is it 36 question or what? Mahesh, please. 36 is right. What is it? 39. Is it 39 or 36? B. Okay. So start move करने से पहले, are you enjoying this series? 39 के क्वेश्चन बात कर रही हूँ. ओके, 41 का आंसर तो बी है, पर तुम पहले ये बताओ, आर यू ऑयल पाम प्रेशर? 36. So you are saying this is the correct answer. Yeah, you are correct. I will check it. Is it 36 or 14 or 18? In your notes, maybe it is 14 to 18, but I will check it that what will be the correct answer. Okay, Mahesh, please, and Sakshi Sahu. Is it okay? Okay. So are you enjoying this series? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. हाँ मैम, आपके क्लासेस सुन के एंटो इजी लगने लगा है. थैंक यू. ओके, वेरी गुड. चलो, मैं पूछने ही वाली थी कि स्पेसिफिकली तुम्हें वीके आर यू एंजॉयिंग इट और नॉट? हाँ, enjoying? Okay. So should we start? चलिए. Now match these group. Again, this is direct question and you have to match these fatafat. So LD का belong to which group? बोलिए. A, B, which one? Answer no. Yes, B is the correct answer. LD carb belong to what? Carbamate. Ma'am, go for next question. अच्छा, ये तो पहले डिस्कस कर ले. एंडोसल्फान. What about एंडोसल्फान? Chlorinated hydrocarbon. And what about diazinon? What is it? Organophosphate. And this phenolic. चलिए अब चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे. Now you will solve this question and tell me the answer. How much quantity of chloropyrifos 20 EC required to spray 0.05% for control of yellow stem borer in paddy and the spray fluid recommended in 150 liters per hectare? What will be the answer? So, quantity required कितना चाहिए? What is the concentration of spray? 0.05. What is the spray volume? This is 150 liters per hectare. And what is the active ingredient? 20. What will be the answer? C. Very good. 375 will be the answer. Now tell me, what is warfarin is mixed with food weight in the ratio of what? And tell me, what is warfarin? Quickly. Yes, 1:19 ratio. It is an anticoagulant. What? It is an anticoagulant insecticide which interfere with vitamin K. And vitamin K is responsible for what? Blood clotting. So it inhibits this blood clotting which cause hemorrhage in insects. Is it clear? Anticoagulant, very good. So let's move to the next one. I have written here also, you can also read from this. Action of pymetrozine is, what is the role of pymetrozine? Quickly. So it prevents the stylet insertion. This is again a direct question. So here I have discussed earlier also, we have Sreshta batch for the student who are in third year for 1 year, which is of 4999, and Samartha batch for student who are in second year for 2 years, which is of 8999, and this our continuation batch for 2026 with 499. We have paid mock test in this, so you can purchase any of them according to your study plan. So match the insecticide with their site of action. What is the right answer? So pyrethroids, they all work on the what? Act on the nervous system. What about pyrethroids? They act on the axonic membrane. ठीक है, outer membrane of nervous system. Cyclodines, they work on presynaptic membrane. Nicotine work on the postsynaptic membrane, and organophosphate work on the synaptic membrane. Option D, ma'am. Very good. Option D is the correct answer. So I have written here also. You can also check it from here. If stationary phase is liquid, then it is called what? I am saying stationary phase is liquid, not mobile phase. Stationary phase is liquid. In what? In partition chromatography. If I ask the mobile phase is liquid, it should be liquid chromatography. Okay. So let's move to the next one. Match the insecticide with poisoning symptoms they produce in the insect. Answer quickly. Option A, very good. DDT, jitters. BHC, fanning movements. Rotenone, inactiveness. Parathion, restlessness. Okay, so A is the correct answer. Let's move to the next one. Cyanides are inhibitor of electron transport of which complex? Yes, D is the correct answer for complex 4. They inhibit the electron transport, which is cytochrome B complex. What is this complex for? Cytochrome B complex. Are you getting it or not? What is this cytochrome B complex? Very good. So other complexes are complex 1, which is NADPH dehydrogenase. It is inhibited by rotenone. Okay. And complex 2, which is succinate dehydrogenase, which is inhibited by what? Malonate. And what about complex 3? It is inhibited by actimycin. And last one, we know complex 4 inhibited by cyanide. So I have written these here also. You can go through this PDF after the class. Is it okay? Okay. So let's move to the next one. Match the column with their generation has been grouped. What is the correct answer? Anyone? Are with the generation of this? Not A. C is the correct answer. Petroleum products comes under the first generation. These are generally inorganic compound. Okay, inorganic compound like nicotine, petroleum product, they come in the first generation. What about dinitro compounds? Dinitro compounds, these are the second generation. These are generally organic compounds like what? DDT, BHC. Okay, what about juvenile hormone? These are third generation. Methiprine, hydroprine, we discussed in the previous question, in the question before. Okay, so third generation, juvenile hormones. And what comes in the fourth generation? Precocine in the fourth generation. These are non-juvenile hormones. They directly act on the endocrine gland of the insect. So C is the correct answer. Okay, very good. So let's move to, I have written here also, you can go through this same information. So let's move to the next one. Which of the following is used in pediculicide formulation, and what is this pediculicide? Quickly, answer quickly, no? What is pediculicide? Yes, linden is the correct answer. Pediculicide, these are the insecticide or compounds used to kill what? Lice. Louse, very good. So answer is linden. So let's move to the next one. Which type of nozzle is used to spray a weedicide? Option A, is it? No, this flat fan is used to spray weedicide. This spray the weedicide widely on the leaves. Okay, this solid cone, that is used for what? High pressure spray. And what about jet? For stream spray. Hollow fungicide, hollow cone, insecticide and fungicide, yes. Insecticide, very good. Insecticide and fungicides. So is it clear now? So let's move to the next one. So I have written here also hollow cone insecticide fungicide, flat fan for herbicide, and solid cone high volume spraying, and for this jet it is directed stream. So let's move to the next one. In India, aircraft was used for first time in insect pest control of what? Shall we expect handbook of C. Okay, desert locust control is the correct answer. Match the insecticide. Now this is very easy and tell me the answer. So answer D is correct. Bright yellow for what? Highly toxic. Blue for moderately toxic. Green for, sorry. Highly toxic. Bright red for extremely toxic. Blue moderately. So bright yellow color is used for, very good, D is the correct answer. Highly toxic. Blue color is used to denote moderately toxic, and green color is used for less toxic, and bright red is used for extremely toxic. And now tell me their LD50 doses. What is the LD50 dose of this bright color? Quickly. So these are the LD50 doses of oral LD50 values for this. Yes, very good. 1 to 50 mg for this bright red. For bright yellow, it is 51 to 500, which is highly toxic. Bright blue color, which is moderately toxic, it is 501 to 5000. And for bright green, more than 5000. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Name the chemical spray used in identification of amino acids. किसकी बात हो रही है? What about amino acid? कौन से process की? Which process I am talking about? So answer is ninhydrin. This is used in what? Chromatography. Yes, very good. Ninhydrin is the correct answer. So this ninhydrin spray used for identification of amino acid, especially in the paper chromatography. This amino acid or this ninhydrin react with amino acid and produce a purple or violet color, which is called as Rohmann's purple. So ninhydrin is used for the detection of amino acids. Now match the chronology sequence of development of synthetic pyrethyroids. What is the answer? Quickly. B. Yes, B is the correct answer. First generation synthetic pyrethyroid is alethrin, and second generation is what? This bioresmethrin. Third generation is permethrin. Fourth generation is cyfluthrin. And what is this first generation synthetic pyrethyroids? These are generally used in making the what? Mosquito mats and mosquito coils. And second generation pyrethyroids, these are highly photostable. Okay. And this third generation synthetic pyrethyroids, these are used in the agricultural, agriculture. And fourth are, these are advanced pyrethyroid with strong insecticidal property. So is it clear now? Let's move to the next one. Carriers used in the dust formulations are. So All of these, attapulgite, chiolins and sulfur dioxide. These are the carriers that are used in. Very good. All is the correct answer. All of these is the correct answer. Now match the following with their mode of action. We discussed this 2 or 3 times in this session only. What is the answer? Yes, C is the correct answer. Organophosphate mode of action is it interact with the acetylcholine esterase inhibitor. So it inhibit this acetylcholine esterase. Phenylpyrazoles. What is the mode of action? This is GABA-gated chlorine channel antagonist. What is ivermectins? These are chloride channel activators. What is this? Oxidizine, voltage dependent sodium channel blockers. Yes, C is the correct answer. So let's move to the next one. Amount of pesticide remaining on plant at harvest is called residue, deposit, eminent and half-life. What is the amount of pesticide? A. Yes, residue. And what about deposit? What is deposit? Deposit is the amount of pesticide at the time of harvest. Okay, at the time of harvest. And eminent is not term related to this. What is half-life? The time when the amount of pesticide is half. That is half time. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Aluminium phosphide is available in which form? Yes, very good. A is the correct answer. Only tablet form. So here is your last question. What will be the answer? 3 gram tablet. Okay, very good. Now tell me the answer of last question. What is the droplet size of different sprays? So A is the correct answer. Medium spray has droplet size of this. Fine spray has droplet size of 101 to 200. And mist spray 51 to 100. And next is coarse spray which is more than 400. Okay, A is the correct answer. So this was all about this schedule test. And so we will discuss our next schedule test by tomorrow. So how was the session? Okay, so kindly give your reviews regarding this session and okay, good. So let's end this session and we will meet tomorrow. Thank you. Okay, toxicologically और कुछ comments?